Is there a way to perform if in Python's lambda? In Python 2.6, I want to do. This clearly isn't the syntax. Is it possible to perform an if in lambda, and if so, how to do it?
The syntax you're looking for. But you can't use print or raise in a lambda.
Why don't you just define a function? There really is no justification to use lambda in this case.
Probably the worst Python line I've written so far. If x equals 2 you print. If x not equal to you raise.
You can easily raise an exception in a lambda, if that's what you really want to do. Is this a good idea? My instinct in general is to leave the error reporting out of lambdas, let it have a value of none and raise the error in the caller. I don't think this is inherently evil, though I consider the why if XLC syntax itself worse. Just make sure you're not trying to stuff too much into a lambda body.